Please rise for the announcement of the arrival of the President of the Republic of Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia is a very big country. The distance from west to east is greater than the distance from Los Angeles to New York. It is almost the same as the distance from London to Dubai. Indonesia is not only a very big country, it is also a very beautiful country, populated by a very friendly people. Not only we are the largest archipelago in the world, this archipelago stretch along the equator, so that we are a true tropical island paradise. Populating this tropical island paradise, one of the most friendly, most welcoming, most good-hearted people in the world. I believe that it is us, Indonesians, who are the true Te Yang Oi Hui, the true descendant of the sun. For such a large developing country, of course, infrastructure has always been a problem. Being a big country, we would suffer if this country is not united into one big, seamless infrastructure. But we are fixing it now very rapidly. Soon, our infrastructure will link and connect every part of our very large country. 2 years ago, within 1 month of taking office, I reduced wasteful fuel subsidies by more than 80%. This freed up $15 billion per year of fiscal space, which we were then able to reallocate, including to the biggest infrastructure development program in the history of the Indonesia. This newly enlarged infrastructure budget includes the construction of 35 gigawatt of power plant project, 1,000 kilometers of toll roads, 3,258 kilometers of railway, 15 new airports and 10 airport expansions, 20 seaports and seaport expansion. As we connect the outer region it is opening up new destinations for domestic and international tourism. You all know Bali, but we have hundreds of places that are like Bali. Therefore, my government has launched a program called 10 New Balis. Ladies and gentlemen, Korea is already the number 3 largest investor in Indonesia. Number 3 largest investor in Indonesia. Korean companies are making very large contributions to our basic industries in the steel sector, in the petrochemicals sector, and Korean-owned shoe and garment factories employ more than 900,000 Indonesian workers. In addition to your continuing investment in those industries, I would now like to invite you to take the next step into the creative industries and into our tourism industry. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the midst of the 4th industrial revolution. Artificial intelligence, robotics, drone technology, self-driving cars, biotechnology. I have no doubt that South Korea will play a leading role in this technology revolution. But there is paradox. I believe that in the age of automation, when everything is made by robots, I believe consumers will pay a premium for something that is handmade. In the age of artificial intelligence and robots, I believe that the human touch will become even more important. In this era, when material products are more plentiful than ever, our societies are shifting more toward experience, toward adventure, toward creating memories, toward sharing. Therefore, our economies are also shifting more and more toward the services sector, like tourism and the creative industries. I believe that Indonesia is well placed for this shift toward creative experience, toward adventure. Our rich culture, our rich traditions, such as in handicraft and in the arts, means we have a rich talent pool for creative industries. And experiences like travel are a social activity. Meanwhile, Indonesia is number 4 in the world for Facebook, and Jakarta is number 1 in the world for Twitter, because Indonesians are also very social, as well as increasingly digital. We are aware that industry is changing, that our economies are changing, we intend to develop alongside the fourth industrial revolution. And we look forward to traveling on this journey with all of you. Gaji Gapsida, Kamsa Hamnida. Thank you very much. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, His Excellency Mr. Jokowi.